Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day and I thank you so much for tuning in. Today, guys, I am participating in the Meadow Hill Home and DIY Farmhouse Friday monthly challenge. Now, I don't know if you know Miss Rebecca of Meadow Hill Home and DIY, but if you don't, you really should go down, find your way to her channel. If you love farmhouse decor and DIYs, she is definitely the creator for you. Now, this will be a monthly challenge, and what Miss Rebecca has asked us to do for this month is to create a farmhouse-related video, whatever we consider to be farmhouse. And it could be a DIY, a vignette, or even farmhouse decor. Now, I'm new to farmhouse. I've always been a glam girl, but I've learned that I like farmhouse, and I enjoy participating in these collaborations. So what I came up with for this challenge is a farmhouse fall kitchen station. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you're not a member of the channel, or if you don't subscribe to the channel, I hope you'll do that today. Tap the notification bell at least 2 times. And if you already subscribe, I thank you so much for your support. So again, here's my farmhouse fall kitchen station. And listen, I thank you for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.